Dear students, in this video we will learn about certain concepts associated with the circle. A circle consists of infinite number of points which are at equal distance from a fixed point. O is the fixed point. Let there be different points A, B, C, D, etc. Such infinite number of points. All these points are at equal distance from the central point. Then the set of all points equidistant from O forms a circle. In this video, we will restrict our discussion with the concept of tangents. When there is a line and a circle in a plane, the three possibilities are there. First possibility, there is no contact between the line and the circle. Second possibility, a line intersect the circle at two distinct points, and such a line is called secant. And the third possibility is the line touches the circle at one point. Such a line is called tangent. So here this PQ is a tangent and this A is the point of contact. We will consider certain theorems which are associated with the concept of tangents. First theorem states that if we join the point of contact with the center of the circle, then this line is perpendicular to the tangent. In another way, we can say that radius from point of contact of tangent is perpendicular to tangent. Conversely, we can say if we draw perpendicular to the radius from its end point on the circle, then this is a tangent to the circle. Now suppose there is a circle and there is a point lying outside the circle P. Then two tangent segments may be drawn from this point to this circle. So PA and PB are the two tangents drawn from the exterior point to the circle. Now the theorem related to these two tangent segments states that two tangent segments drawn from exterior point to the circle are of equal length that is P is the exterior point. From here PA and PB are the two tangent segments, then PA is equal to PB. We have to prove it. It is given a circle with center O and radius R, and PA and PB are tangent segments from the exterior point P. We have to prove PA is equal to PB. We take construction. Join OA, OB and OP. Now the proof. We know OA is the radius from point of contact, OA and OB. So both are perpendicular to tangents. So OA perpendicular to PA and OB is perpendicular to PB. Now we consider triangle PAO and triangle PBO. Now in triangle PAO and triangle PBO, angle OAP is equal to angle OBP is equal to 90 degree each, because radius from point of contact is perpendicular to tangent. OP is equal to OP, common hypotenuse for both the triangles, and OA is equal to OB, radii of same circle. Therefore, triangle OAP is congruent to triangle OBP by RHS congruency. If the two triangles are congruent, their corresponding parts are equal. Therefore, PA is equal to PB by CP, CT, corresponding parts of congruent triangles. In the next theorem, which states that two tangent segments PA and PB to a circle drawn from an exterior point subtend equal angles at the center of the circle. That is, angle AOP is equal to angle BOP. In the previous theorem, we had proved that PA is equal to PB by proving the two triangles to be congruent. Triangle PAO is congruent to triangle PBO. And then by CPCT, angle, therefore angle AOP is equal to angle BOP. This is by RHS congruency, and this is by CPCT. Because the two triangles are congruent, the corresponding angles in the two triangles will be equal. So by CPCT we prove that AOP is equal to BOP, hence PA subtend angle POA and PB subtend angle POB at the center, and these angles are equal. Besides this, by CPCT we can prove angle APO is equal to angle BPO. Besides this, angle APO is equal to angle BPO by CPCT. Thus we can say the line joining center of the circle to an exterior point from where two tangent segments are drawn is the bisector of angle formed by the two tangent segments at the exterior point. Now we will discuss some questions based on these concepts. A circle is touching the side BC of a triangle ABC at point P, and AB and AC produced at Q and R respectively. Prove that AQ is equal to half perimeter of triangle ABC. In order to prove it, we consider triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, perimeter of triangle is equal to, or triangle ABC is equal to AB plus BC plus AC. AB plus BC may be written as BP plus PC, BP plus PC plus AC, but BP is equal to BQ and PC is equal to CR, because tangent segments from exterior point to a circle are of equal length. Therefore, we can write perimeter of triangle ABC is equal to AB plus, instead of BC we can write BQ plus instead PC we can write CR plus AC. AB plus BQ is equal to AQ plus CR plus AC is equal to AR, or we can write it as twice of AQ, because AQ and AR are tangent segments from A, and these are of equal length. Hence, AQ is equal to half perimeter of triangle ABC. In the next question, two tangents TP and TQ are drawn to a circle with center O from an external point T. Prove that angle PTQ is twice of angle OPQ. Here we have TP is equal to TQ. Two tangent segments from exterior point are of equal length. Therefore, angle TPQ is equal to angle TQP. Now, in triangle TPQ, we have angle TPQ plus angle TQP plus angle PTQ is equal to 180 degree, or twice of angle TPQ is equal to, because TQP is equal to TPQ, so twice of TPQ is equal to 180 minus PTQ, 180 degree minus angle PTQ, implies angle TPQ is equal to 90 degree minus half of angle PTQ. Let this be equals to 1. Now, OP is radius from point of contact of the tangent. Therefore, OP is perpendicular to TP. Perpendicular to TP implies angle OPT is equal to 90 degree. OPT is equal to angle OPQ plus angle TPQ is equal to 90 degree. It implies angle TPQ is equal to 90 degree minus angle OPQ. From 1 and 2, we have 90 degree minus angle OPQ is equal to 90 degree minus half angle PTQ, which implies by transposing half PTQ transpose to left side, half angle PTQ is equal to 90 when transpose is subtracted, and minus OPQ angle becomes positive angle OPQ, which further implies angle PTQ is equal to twice of angle OPQ. Hence, proved.